Hi, I'm Seth with RepairMyMoonwalk.com, and today we're going to be making a video of how to repair rainbow netting on your jumper, slide, whatever you have it with. So if you got a repair kit from us, among everything in there, you're also going to have some rainbow netting. So I have my rip right here in the netting, and then I matched up this to the size of the rip. So this is a little bit bigger. So the first thing that I did when I cut this out is I actually burned each of these ends with a lighter just to really seal them in there so it won't fray. And so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to get a pair of scissors, and I'm going to find each of these little corners right here, and I'm just going to cut them off. Alright, so I'm sizing the netting again, and I made a point. It looks a lot better if you match it up with the color. So now that I've sized it up, I can see that I have a little bit of extra here, and all this right here is not needed. That's just going to get in the way, so I'm going to trim that up again. Then this is the point where you would take your lighter and you would burn each of these edges right along here just to keep it from fraying. So the first thing that I'm going to do here is get my string, and I'm going to start in this bottom corner here, right there. I'm going to take my string around here, make a knot through there. I really want that to stay. Alright, so I got that tight knot right there, and I'm going to start taking it, I'm going to braid it through, just around, probably about 6 or 7 times with each colored strand. Just keep taking it around there. At each corner, each one of these that you get to, you're going to do a knot, and that's to just cement it down, really make it so it's not going to go anywhere. Alright, so now I've come all the way around back to where I started, and again, just as we do on every notch here, I'm going to loop around. I'm going to tie another knot. So I just finished. That is how you repair a ripped netting for your bounce house or your slide. Stay tuned for more videos from RepairMyMoonwalk.com, www.repairmymoonwalk.com. Please also feel free to subscribe, like, view the videos. Anything you can do to help us would be great. And we'll post more content for you later.